Another kind of weather, a more traditional way to think about weather, is what the air is doing on planets that have atmospheres. And Moon doesn't have an atmosphere, so we don't think about moon weather. Mars has an atmosphere, Jupiter has an atmosphere, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, a couple of moons have atmospheres. So when you study those, you see interesting patterns. You see storms, you see eddies, which are tiny little spiral patterns of air that might be their version of a tornado. And so I think you can only really deeply understand weather on Earth once you study the weather on other planets. A planet that rotates faster than Earth, one rotates less fast, one that has higher gravity, lesser gravity. And you can see the full range of how weather takes shape in the full spectrum of planets that are out there. And then you find out where Earth fits. And you say, oh, that's why that's that way. Because this is what happens in that extreme, and that's what happens in the other extreme. So that's really when I think of space weather, that's what I like to reflect on. Tornadoes are way more fun than snowstorms. I mean, if you're just watching weather phenomenon, I mean, tornadoes or any cyclone, just to think about the energy it contains and what it's doing with that energy. What in the weather system was the precursor conditions to that storm? It's way more fascinating to study than just snowflakes coming out of the sky.